and welcome to Hostess classes. This is Ashmita, and in today's class, let's discuss about the SSAT examination that is going to be held in this year. All you need to know about the SSAT examination, all the details we are going to discuss over here. So stay tuned and let's get started. First of all, what is this SSAT exam? It's a national level entrance examination, and SSAT is conducted by the Ssat group in order to shortlist the aspirants for admission in aviation courses offered like the commercial pilot license. Then you have the aircraft maintenance engineering. Then you have cabin crew or air hostess work. Then you have ground staff till now the schedule has not yet been released, so here we are going to discuss only about the notification. This is a national level examination and it's held once a year. The examination would be offline. The courses offered through this entrance examination include the aviation industry. Your exam fees will be 500 for the online application form, and also rupees 500 for the offline application form. Now the sections that will be there in this entrance examination include 4 sections, including mathematics and statistics. Then you have physics, then you have chemistry, then you have general awareness, and including English. So the total duration for completing these 4 sections include 120 minutes, and total questions would be given is 100. The total marks for these 100 questions would be 100. There would be plus 1 mark for each correct answer, and there would be no negative marking. Let's discuss about the eligibility criteria now. Now, candidates meet the SSAT eligibility criteria if they have cleared their class 12th examination with passing marks. Aspirants should have completed their class 12s with subjects such as physics, chemistry, mathematics, and optional, you can also have biology. Now, apart from this, candidates who possess a 3 years diploma in any stream with a minimum of 50% in aggregate marks also meet the eligibility criteria for the SSAT 2022. Candidates who have studied biology or arts or commerce as their optional subjects are eligible to apply for the air hostess or the cabin crew or the ground staff courses only. On the other hand, aspirants who possess a diploma in engineering or mathematics can apply for courses like BE, BTech, then AME, CPL only. Now, talking about the age limit, aspirants should not be less than 15 years of age when they are applying for the SSAT examination. Let us talk about the eligibility criteria for air hostess and eligibility criteria for the flight steward. Now, on the basis of qualification, if you first let us discuss about the eligibility criteria of the air hostess position. Qualification required is 12th pass from any stream. Your age should be between 16 years to 27 years. Marital status, unmarried is mostly preferred. Languages that you need to know includes Hindi, English, and other languages if you know. Height should be 5 feet 2 inches minimum. Your color complexion should be clear complexion. Your eyesight should be 6/6 uncorrected in both eyes. Yeah, so that was all about the eligibility criteria of air hostess. Now we are going to discuss about the eligibility criteria of the flight steward. You need to have a qualification of class 12 pass from any stream. Your age should be between 16 years to 27 years. Your marital status should be unmarried preferably. And your languages that you should be knowing is Hindi, English, and other languages. Your height should be 5 feet and 10 inches minimum. And your complexion should be clear complexion. Your eyesight should be 6/6 uncorrected in both the eyes. There are certain scholarships which are given in the aviation courses offered by the colleges. Now, scholarships are offered to the qualifying candidates in the form of fee concession or fee discount or fee waiver. Alright, so let's talk about the scholarships that are provided. Talking about the platinum scholarship, if you there's a scholarship in percent and 25%. The criteria for this is above 90% in SSAT for this particular year that's going on. There would be a diamond scholarship up to 20% if you get above 85% in the SSAT exam. There's a gold scholarship also. Gold scholarship is for 15% and you need to get above 70% in your SSAT exam. Talking about the silver scholarship, that's up to 10% and you need to secure above 65% in your SSAT exam. There's a bronze scholarship also, which provides 5% of the concession, and it's up to if you get above 60% in your SSAT exam, then you will get the scholarship. There is another category of providing scholarships that we call it the category B scholarship, which is based on the marks secured in class 12 board examinations. And this is known as the merit scholarship. Now, firstly, talking about the mega scorer, this provides 30% of the scholarship, and students who have secured 90% and above in their class 12 board examinations are eligible for this mega scorer scholarship. Next, you have the Super Scorer Scholarship, which provides 20% of its amount, and students who have secured 85% and above in class 12 board exam are eligible for this scholarship. Next, you have the Star Scorer, and it provides 10% of your scholarship. Students who have scored 80% and above in class 12 board exams are eligible for the scholarship. Next, we have another category of scholarship which is based on CBSE class 12 board exam performance, where the grade system is applicable, and here the grade system is A1 for all subjects. It's 30% scholarship and 30%. A1 plus A1, that is for science and mathematics, the scholarship is around 25%. There's A1 plus A2 for science and mathematics, and the scholarship percent is 15%. There's A2 and A2, that's science and mathematics, and the scholarship percent is 10%. So that was all about this SSAT examination, and if you are likely to prepare for this examination, then you need the guidance of expert teachers at Hostess classes. You can join our classes if you are preparing for any kind of competitive exams or any kind of entrance exams. All the details regarding our classes are provided below in the description box. Do visit it, and you can also go over to the official website, that's www.sorrowsclasses.com, or you can give us a call if you have any queries in your mind. Post down your queries in the comment box below. That's open for you all. And yeah, so that's it for today's class. We are going to meet once again in our next classes.